If you are waiting until you feel ready, this is for you. Hello, OFT family. I just wanted to speak to you all for just a few moments about how we got here. A few months ago, I lost my job. I had been in technology sales for over 20 years. I was with a company for a long time, and when that happened, it absolutely devastated me. I didn't know what to do, what I was gonna do, and then was I gonna do technology sales anymore? To be honest, I was completely burned out of technology sales. And when I told my husband, what had happened, he was pissed off at them, not me, at the time. But then as the day went on, he told me, I'm not mad that you lost your job. I'm kind of glad, because he's wanted me to leave that job for a long time, and sometimes God will take you out of situations you won't take yourself out of. And that's exactly what happened. So with that being said, I did some soul searching and tried to figure out what my next move was. And for many, many years, my husband, my son, both have been telling me to follow your passion, cook, bake. And I'd hear from my son, hey mom, why don't you do a TikTok channel? Why don't you do a TikTok page? And my husband, same thing. And he's like, you could do it. You just have to believe in yourself. And that was one of the hardest things for me to do, is to take the leap and put myself out there. So we did. My husband bought, the tripod and the lights and everything that goes along with it. And we started making videos. And then we started thinking where we could go with our family table. And that's something we've talked about for many, many years. Wanting to go to the local farmers market here to sell my baked goods. There's a little more to that because we have pets in the home. So we've taken the steps of going to, commercial kitchens and touring, and that's something we're gonna pursue, for me to bake my goods in the commercial kitchen and go to the farmers market and start selling my product. In addition to that, our goal is to have a little cottage bake stand, to do the same thing as well. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because I am 54 years old. I'm a mom, a stepmom, a wife that has to start over. I've been working for somebody else since I was 16 years old. And I've realized in these months of being unemployed from corporate America that something's got to change. I don't want to work for anybody else anymore. I want to work for myself. I love to cook. I love to bake. I love to provide meals and food for people that I love. So I've been through some ups and downs in my life, and I have survived 100% of all my bad days. My bad weeks, my bad months. I'm still here based on just having a little bit of faith and learning to trust myself and put myself out there, on the interwebs, and realizing people are going to judge you no matter what you do, what you say, what you don't say, what you wear, what you look like. And I've come to the realization a long time ago that I really just don't give a shit. I'm going to do what makes me happy, what brings me joy. It's a little scary, but if you're in the same boat, or if you have started over, or you're in the midst of, I don't know what I want to do with the rest of my life. I'm going to a job every day that I'm just bringing home a paycheck. It's just a job. It's not joy. It's not happiness. You don't look forward to going to that job every day. Or whatever you're feeling, you're not alone. I've been there. And now I'm finally following my passion. If it was not for my husband and my son, who are my biggest cheerleaders, my biggest cheerleaders, they do more than just encourage me to do what I love. So if you are in the same boat, I just wanted to give you a little bit of encouragement if you need it. I would love for y'all to stick around and see where this journey goes. I am so thankful that we have over 1,700 family members of OFT thus far. It's kind of hard to believe that just me, I'm just, again, a mom, a stepmom, a wife that loves to cook and bake, that y'all want to be part of it. Y'all want to watch it. And I'm very, very grateful. So if you're in the same boat, you can do it. You can do it. Have faith in yourself. Get out there. Put yourself out there. And just have fun. Because I tell you what, these last 5 weeks that we've been doing this has been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. It has brought a lot of laughs. And of course, my family loves all the food and the goodies that have been baked and cooked in this kitchen since then. So I'd love for you to follow along on this journey and see where it takes us. And thank you all for the support. And just know, wherever you are in your life, whatever age, you could change things up. You could follow your passion and do what you love. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table.